is episode 12 of The Teacher's Pet. Listeners are advised that this podcast contains coarse language and adult themes. This podcast series is brought to you by The Australian.
Lynette Dawson was reported missing by her husband, former Newtown Jets rugby league star Chris Dawson.
He said, I was going to get a hitman to kill Lynn, and he rang me and said, Lynn's gone, she isn't coming back.
I just want justice, and I'd love her little girls to know she didn't leave them.
Police have confirmed the following facts. Just before 8 o'clock this morning, a 70-year-old man from Coolum on the Sunshine Coast was arrested at Bigara Waters on the Gold Coast. The 70-year-old was arrested by homicide squad detectives from Queensland Police. The man in custody is Chris Dawson. He's been arrested in relation to the disappearance of his ex-wife Lynn in the Sydney suburb of Bayview in 1982.